So Shane is asking how to exclude foreigners to see your post and like your post. I mean, the easiest way to exclude people from anyone, exclude anyone from doing anything is not to run ads, to be very frank. Because the moment you run ads, there will be some spillover. Even you actually, I mean, the easiest way, I mean, let me answer this question in a very, step by step. The first thing, you need to choose the right objective. Now, the moment you go for more specific objectives like lead gen, conversion, and all that, technically you have very little chance to get these so-called foreigners or those people who are not the right audience to come and see your ad, because advertisement is actually being stuck. I mean, the moment you choose your objective, you choose your audience, simply put, okay? Now, the moment you choose your objective, right, you will actually greatly reduce the possibility of getting the wrong audience to come and like your post and comment on your post and do anything. So that's the first thing. Okay, now the second thing is you can't really avoid anyway. Even if you, like, for example, when a lot of my coaches that run lead gen and whatnot, right? I would always say, if the percentage of all these wrong audiences is actually below 10%, then you have to live with it. You can't be 100%, put it this way. Yeah, you have to learn how to let go this peace of mind. Facebook is like that. You can't avoid, you can't 100% rule out. So if you're just a bit, let's say out of 100 likes, you got about 2 to 3 of them. Out of 100 leads, you got about 3 to 4 of them are not the right one, then we just let it go. Yeah, you can't be 100%.